This new AI video module can mix images, music, video, and text at the same time, and it might replace video editors completely.
I like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
Okay, that was made with AI, and what you just saw is part of what's coming with SEEDANCE 2.0, one of the most hyped AI video engines right now. But before we break down SEEDANCE, I want to quickly show you the platform behind it, Higgsfield AI, because this is where everything starts. In this video, I'll explain what SEEDANCE 2.0 is, why creators are freaking out, and how you can get first access to it. Let's dive in. Hey, it's Jessica, and today we are breaking down early signals around SEEDANCE 2.0, one of the most exciting AI video models coming soon. We look at what's new, how it compares to previous versions, and how you can get first access through Higgsfield. I'll also show you a quick high-level workflow using Higgsfield AI so that you can understand how this tech fits into real content creation. If you love AI tools, content creation, or future tech, subscribe because I cover this stuff before it blows up. So Higgsfield AI is basically a next-gen creative studio for AI video. You upload prompts, references, images, even audio, and the system builds a cinematic video for you. Think of it like a film studio inside your browser, but powered by AI. And SEEDANCE 2.0 is their upcoming engine that's pushing this to another level. One of the biggest upgrades is multimodal input mixing. You can upload up to 12 files at once: images, videos, audio, and text prompts. For example, you can upload a character image, a dance video reference, background music, and text script, and the AI understands how they all work together. SEEDANCE 2.0 also appears to generate audio and video together. That means footsteps match walking, ambient sounds match the scene, and everything is synced automatically, no editing needed. Another huge upgrade is prompt-based editing. Instead of regenerating the entire video, you can just type something like change the background or swap the character. This could save creators hours of editing time. Now with SEEDANCE 2.0, there's 1080 pixels output and around 30% faster generation compared to SEEDANCE 1.5 Pro. That means higher quality and less waiting. Motion synthesis is also improving. SEEDANCE 2.0 is expected to generate realistic movement, choreography, and gestures for 5 to 12-second clips. This is huge for filmmakers, dancers, and storytellers. Another exciting feature is multi-shot storytelling. The AI can generate scenes that flow together like a movie, consistent lighting, character appearance, and logical story progression. And probably the biggest breakthrough is character consistency. Your character's face, outfit, and details stay the same across all scenes. If you're a creator, this is massive. Now, like I said earlier, Higgsfield is one of the platforms giving early access to SEEDANCE 2.0. The workflow is simple. You generate or upload your assets, mix inputs like images, text, and audio, and iterate using prompts. You can follow SEEDANCE updates and sign up for first access directly through Higgsfield. I've added my exclusive link in the description if you want to join early. So, what does this mean for creators? You could make YouTube videos without filming. You could generate TikTok content in minutes. You could even create short films, art, or educational videos without a camera crew. AI video is moving from experimental to professional level production. SEEDANCE 2.0 could be one of the biggest jumps in AI video creation so far. If you want first access, check the links in my description. I've added Higgsfield official page and my exclusive sign up link. Like this video if this helped you, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll keep you updated as soon as Seedance 2.0 launches. I'll see you in the next video.